Get ready to slay with this amazing sugar wax. At least. That's what I was hoping I was going to be saying after ordering this product. It wasn't. Sugaring is hair removal. From a recipe of cooked sugar and lemon juice to the perfect consistency, it's less painful than other waxes. As you can see, I am squeezing some between my fingers. I should be able to almost form it into a ball. And I clearly can't do that. Next, I spread it on my arm to see if it will remove any hair. It really didn't, only a few strands. I also tried it on my upper lip like traditional wax. And once again, it failed miserably. I highly recommend you make your own sugaring wax at home. If you would like a recipe, leave a comment for me. Visit cheapskatesclub.com for deals on lots of other fantastic things.